How to draw the Pokemon Sliggoo. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, so for the first step of drawing Sliggoo today, we're going to begin by making two oval-like shapes for the eyes. We're going to make one right here on the left hand side. On top of this, we're going to add in a very small line. This will be straight. Nice job! Now a little bit to the right, we're going to make a second eye. This will look very similar to the one that we just made. Next, above each eye that we just made, we're going to begin to make an ear. We're going to do this by using a big upside down U-like shape. Now a little bit to the left, we're going to begin to make a second ear, although this one will be a little bit bigger. Now that we have our two ears made, we also have to make the antennas. So we're going to make the antennas right next to the ears. We're going to begin on the left hand side and we're going to begin to make the first antenna right now. Nice, let's use a small curved line to connect the antenna to the right ear. Now on the right side of the right ear, we're going to begin to draw the second antenna, although this one will be a little bit bigger and it will be down a little bit lower. Now from the end point of which we just stopped drawing the antenna, we're going to go ahead and draw a curvy line coming down. It will almost look like a backwards S. Very nice. Now on the right side of that curved line, we're going to begin to make a backwards C-like shape. It will look similar to a shell, kind of like how a snail has. On the inside of the empty space that we just created by using the backwards C-like shape, we're going to add in another smaller C-like shape that is also backwards. This will help add some detail to our drawing. Nice job! Now moving over to the left hand side, we're going to begin to make a curvy line just how we did on the right hand side. This will help make the other part of the body. We're going to go ahead and make this come down to a backwards U-like shape. Now from this end point, we're going to begin to make our U-like shape. This will be the first hand of Sliggoo. Awesome! Now right underneath that U-like shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make the lower part of the body. We're going to go ahead and make a curvy line, which will go down to the bottom, and we're going to begin to make what will look like the bottom of a snail. Then we will connect it to the shell that we previously made. Fantastic job Learn How to Draw Hub crew, so far this is coming along very well. On the inside, next to that hand that we previously drew, we're going to go ahead and make the second hand. We're going to do this by using another U-like shape. Now we're going to move up a little bit. We're going to begin to make the mouth of Sliggoo. We're going to do this by using a W-like shape that is very big and squiggly. To add more detail, we're going to go to the right of the W-like shape that we just made, and we're going to begin to add in two circles. Later on in the video, we're going to color in these circles a yellow-green color together. Now let's add in one smaller one underneath. Now lastly, we're going to go to the lower half of the body and we're going to begin to make an outline which will help separate the colors from the top of the body from the lower part of the body. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you're not yet a member of the Learn How to Draw Hub crew, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can join so you can see more videos just like this. Now stick around so that we can clean our drawing together. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big like so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.